Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to disable autoplay for quick access to media in laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's go. For this, you have to go to your settings. Now open Bluetooth and devices. Now scroll down. Here you can see the option of autoplay. You have to click on this. Here you can see use autoplay for all media and devices. You just have to turn off this button. So this is how you can disable autoplay for quick access to media in laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.